the industrial field, steel is known as the backbone of the world industry, and the rolling production line is an important link in the steel industry chain. The continuous casting and rolling rebar production line produced by Hongting Group, with an annual output of 100,000 to 200,000 tons of steel, can process 300 to 600 tons of scrap steel per day. The entire production line consists of raw material processing area, melting area, continuous casting area, rolling area, finished product packaging area, central control room, and cooling system. Supporting equipment includes induction melting furnaces, billet continuous casting machine, billet heating furnace, roughing mill, rolling mill units, flying shear, cooling bed, fixed length shear, and packing table, etc. In the raw material processing area, scrap steel undergoes sorting and crushing as preliminary treatment. This process ensures uniform heating of the scrap steel, increases the yield of molten steel, reduces impurities in the scrap steel, improves the quality of the steel, and reduce power consumption, energy consumption. After processing, the scrap steel is lifted by crane suction cups and transferred to feeding trolley. In the melting area, the pre-treated scrap steel is added to the melting furnace through the feeding trolley for melting. This production line is equipped with 3 sets of 15-ton steel shell induction melting furnaces. Each set of melting equipment includes 2 furnace bodies, one for working and one for standby. The induction melting furnace consists of a transformer, medium frequency power cabinet, furnace body, tilting control system, cooling system, and dedusting system. The plant can be equipped with a central control room, utilizing the latest IoT technology to achieve full digitization. Management personnel can monitor the production status of the production line in real time, perform remote control operations, and facilitate maintenance and troubleshooting later on. After melting, the molten steel carried by ladles is transported by metallurgical cranes to the continuous casting area for continuous casting. Depending on production needs, single-strand or multi-strand continuous casting machines can be installed. After molding, the steel billets are cut to the required lengths using hydraulic metal shears or flame cutting methods. The molded steel billets can either go directly to the cooling bed for stacking after cooling, or based on production needs, into the rolling area for continuous casting and rolling. After leaving the continuous casting machine, the steel billets first enter the induction heating furnace to heat them to 1,100 degrees Celsius. The heated billets then pass through a conveyor roller to the roughing mill for rough rolling. The operation sequence of the roughing mill can be adjusted according to production requirements. A slope conveyor can automate the entry and exit of billets at this stage. After rolling, the steel billets are conveyed to the crop shear to cut both ends. After cutting, the steel billets enter the rolling mill units for continuous rolling, where dual lines alternately pass through the steel, increasing mill utilization and production output. The grooves in the mill utilize ring-shaped water cooling, enhancing cooling efficiency and increasing production by 20% per groove. Each mill only rolls once. The number of mills is configured based on the final product dimensions. Following continuous rolling, the rebars are conveyed via conveyor rollers to the cooling bed for cooling. Finally, in the finishing area, rebars after cooling enter the fixed-length roller conveyor. Using fixed-length stops and shears, the rebars are cut to the required dimensions. The cut rebars are then sent to a packing table where they are bundled according to specifications. Subsequently, overhead cranes transport them to the finished product area for stacking. If a wire rod production line is required, additional coil-related equipment can be added. According to the configuration, this production line can achieve an annual output of 100,000 to 200,000 tons of deformed rebar, round bar, and wire rod. It can also produce angle steel, flat steel, channel steel, and other products by adding auxiliary equipment, with a finished product yield of up to 92%.